Sampurasun, wilujeng tepang deui dina kelas bahasa Sunda. Barudak damang sadayana, mugi-mugi sadaya murid-murid Bu Guru sehat jeung bagja di imah. Nah murid-murid, ayeuna urang bakal diajar sababaraha kecap atau kata-kata dina basa Sunda. Let's check it out. Please pay attention to the words given. Memorize it well. And you may write it also in your notebook.
Mari kita berlatih pengucapan dan memahami artinya. Rupa-rupa warna: berem, koneng, hejo, biru, bodas. Berem merah, koneng kuning, hejo hijau, biru biru, bodas putih. Berikutnya adalah nama-nama binatang. Ngaran sasatoan: kucing, ucing, ular, orai, tikus, berit, semut, sirem, nyamuk, reungit. Kita ulang ya. Kucing, ucing, ular, orai, tikus, berit, semut, sirem, nyamuk, reungit. Good job! Alright friends, there is no assignments you have to do. Just please practice all those 10 words well at home. And next week we will discuss in the Zoom session. Good luck friends!
Okay, that's all the Sunda lesson for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Hatur nuhun.